Pull it back though, pull it back. Squad. What's up everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade and I have a magnificent prank for going right now. So I have this other YouTuber beside me, Alex210. You see what I say? He may link me and say, yo, when you're free bro, just link me up or shoot some video and ready. Or anything you do, just show me. So I get this idea, me have this on my phone like about a week now, to be honest. And I say, yo, forward. And in forward same time, so I pull this prank. So I'm gonna do a prank like say, yo, like a person run across the street and I end up lick them. He ain't gonna like when me drive fast, he ain't gonna love when me drive nothing over 40, if you be honest. He ain't gonna prefer me crawl, I tell the truth, he ain't gonna prefer me crawl the car. You see me? And I know so we must obey the speed limits and all of that. But in a real life, you gotta have some people under the video say, yo, if you take time drive on this side, but you have some people who don't believe that. So guess what? I talk for the people who know say, you're not gonna crawl the car. Your car can go 80 sometime, 120 sometime. You see what I say? Anyway, I'm gonna set it up, make it look like say, I hit the person. As I say, he ain't gonna love when me speed. He ain't gonna love the idea of an accident for me right now. You see what I say? So I know so this is gonna terrify her. Furthermore, she pranked me this morning like she a bar like something durable. And when I look, she fake the whole thing and make me all day sorry for her. So with me now, bro, me drink my soup when it's hot and cold. And I like some people say they don't drink you in it. Me drink my soup hot, cold anytime. True. If a person this me, I know this them back same time, just know so I have a bigger plan.
Something come after.
Yes. Yeah. So we're gonna set this up right now. I tell her so I soak up, I link some of my bridge and my mineralites and I drive up the road and go on. So I'm gonna drive a different part now and go on and tell her say, yo, I just let the person. So it I go set up properly. I'm gonna video call her and see her reaction. You see me? I'm gonna do it so close to mommy yard that if she run up there, whatever the case by people, you know, more than mind say some of my G them could have draw a crowd. Yeah, that would make it real, you know? Yeah, so we might do that. So people, as a matter of fact, let's say it the right way. Let's do the right thing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime. Yo, people wanna look here. Yo, that's so good there, that's so good. We have some extra people involved, you know. Cause when accident happen, you never see like one person did it. You have to see people around come, so I'll call the angel right now. Let's hope this work. No, wait, hold on, that's it. Yeah. Babe, Jesus Christ. Yes, babe, you hear me? Babe, you hear me? Yes. Babe, me just lick somebody. Alright, so for some reason the screen record and never there record the audio, you see me I say? So she hear me there say us up on the video call, she panic and she run come up to the school. Yo, look. Yo, see if you good? Yo, babe, go Emily lift him up, babe. Yo, no bro, hold on. Your foot good? Your foot no good?
I'm feeling nice.
Oh shoot, me that's some big trouble dog.
Oh my god. Oh my.
No. Your left foot of the problem. No, make him stand up. No, make him stand up. Yeah, lift him so. Pull it back.
There, put him over.
Why am I left here? Put him. Babe, look here. Is that prank? All the basket prank, I can't believe. Him good man, me general, him good. That's why I never want to do it out of my lights, bro. Yo, we're not joking. You must be there something, you must be there something, bro. Boy, the people come all up.
You're afraid of me, You're frightened.
Hush, bro. I be coming something, General. You good?
You know there's something me and Jody do?
Yo, wait. Yeah? I'm the Max man, brother. Yeah. Yo, so hold on. When you prank me this morning, you see? You never feel so me feel away. But when you prank you, you feel away better. You feel away. Yo, you're a star, you. I'm going to bust you.
Yo, that brother can't
Wow, baby. Next time you run, me see how walk like you did. Run.
Yes, sir, but what me I go do? No call me like say me a doctor.
Yo, go tell me my face.
Yeah, call me like say if nothing do him, me I go pronounce him.
No, but baby, you're a woman and baby, you always have a sense.
Yeah, but first thing I need to do, put him in the car, bring him to the hospital.
You could have put him in the car, why come and go see him?
You really do that? Why you cry for?
But for the acting, yeah?
Whoa.
The man ball for real? Yo, man ball for real? You see what? I never think I sweat, the man I sweat. Yo, we have to put you in the next movie.
Yeah, man.
Alex 210 on YouTube. We have to put him in the next movie.
Yo.
Come on, Team Razor.
Me a him. And you scare me because me hold him foot here tell me say no. Me I say log and me can't done him now.
The youth they do a epic job. I wish me did have somebody set up outside to catch the outside video properly. But nonetheless, I know every prank will be perfect. I hope you enjoy it. So show him some support. Subscribe to him channel. The link I got in the description. Also check out Sashelle. Her link I got in the description as well. Check out her channel. Make sure you know it's me sending. Another thing, I start post music now. Some of you guys might hear it, some of you probably don't hear it. Some of you hear it, probably not subscribe, probably not check it out. I just ask for your fair chance. Give me the opportunity to entertain you in a musical form. I know me have some people on this channel who don't really want to hear me sing nothing, but I know say I have people on my channel who listen to dance and music. A lot of YouTubers start the music now. I'm actually used to do music from back in high school. So I actually know what I do. I want to see the thing bigger than just being a YouTuber. I want to see if we can go big on the musical level too. So I ask my supporters them, go over my Vivo channel, subscribe, give me some comments, let me know so I don't actually care about the thing. Though I could be in a one box, so bigger than that. I put out videos all the way, I go live all the way, I talk to them. I say we don't want to be just no like a YouTuber. We know we have greatness inside of we. So, I know for your facts, we can do more than just a couple of YouTube videos. You know what I say? So go over there, subscribe my channel and my Vivo channel. You must listen music. If you don't listen music at all, subscribe because of me. So may I say, that's all I ask. So stay tuned till the next video.